Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to have you here and film my first ever video. This is a basic slime tutorial. This is very necessary and key to have since we will be making tons of slime videos on this channel. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be updated whenever I upload. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's get on to the video. For this, you'll be needing a bowl, any kind of mixing tool. I'm just using a spoon. Coloring is optional, but I am just using some acrylic paint. You can use anything else you like. This is optional, but I'm just adding in some lotion to give it a nice soft texture and some shampoo, which will give it a really bubbly and crisp feel. You will also be needing any kind of activator. I'm just using some borax solution. Alright, so you first want to add in your PVA glue. I'm just using some Elmer's school glue, and you can add in as much as you desire. This is optional, but you can add in any of your colorings. You can use food coloring, paint, or even markers to give your slime a really nice color. I'm just using some acrylic paint to give it a nice vibrant yellow color. Alright, now you want to just add in your lotion. I'm just adding in a few pumps. This will make your slime super soft and really stretchy. Now you just want to add in your shampoo or soap. This will give your slime really nice bubble pops when you begin to play with it. Now your bowl situation looks like a bowl of eggs, so you want to incorporate all the ingredients until they are well mixed in. After all of your ingredients have been well incorporated, you can gradually add in your activator. You can use anything from detergent to liquid detergent, borax, or even contact lens solution and baking soda. Just make sure that the slime begins to pull away from the bowl and you can begin to play with it. Once your slime has pulled away from the bowl, you can begin to grab it and play with it, knead it, and you can add in little bits of borax, only bits that are needed until the slime does not stick to your hands. So this is the final product, and I am so happy with how it turned out. It's a really nice vibrant yellow, which definitely screams out summer, which is right around the corner. It has amazing clicks, bubble pops, stretches, and drizzles, and I definitely recommend adding in the lotion and shampoo to make it super nice and stretchy and bubbly. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's get on into the ASMR. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye!